Question 1. Many different species can live together in the same habitat. 1.1. What name is given to all of the organisms living in the same habitat? Tick one box. Well, that is a community is the right answer. Figure 1 shows 4 species of birds from the same habitat in the UK. Brambling, bullfinch, chaffinch, goldfinch. Question 1.2. Which species of bird in figure 1 do scientists think are most closely related? Tick one box. Brambling and chaffinch. So that will be the ones that are closely related. Question 1.3. Scientists think the brambling and the bullfinch belong to different species. What evidence is used by scientists to clarify the brambling and the bullfinch as different species? Tick one box. The evidence in this case, we're looking at brambling and the bullfinch are different size. No, the brambling and the bullfinch cannot breed together to give fertile offspring. That's correct. So the rest will not be correct. 4 other species of bird, A, B, C, and D, live in a habitat in the UK. Figure 2 shows how the numbers of each species of birds varied during 1 year. Here are the birds A, B, C, and D. Use information from figure 2 to answer question 1.4 to 1.6. Question 1.4, describe what happens to the number of birds of species A during the year. So that is species A between January and April to mid of May. That is constant, and then it began to increase between mid of May to around mid of June, and then began to decline from there all the way to December. So we could say constant from January to March or mid of April, and increases from mid of April to May, and then began to decrease from May to June to December. Question 1.5. In June and July, a disease affected the populations of some of these species. Which species had the lowest resistance to the disease? Tick one box. So the lowest resistance to the disease will be B, because of the how it's been declined, the sharp decline there. So it will be B. And question 1.6. One species migrates between the UK and other countries. Which species migrates between the UK and other countries? Give a reason for your answer. We're looking at a D here, so that would be D. The reason for that, it only appeared in May and then disappeared in September. So that would be, it's present only in May to September.